Hey guys, welcome back. In this lesson, I'll be telling you how to set up Calendly. It's really simple. All you need is a Gmail account and you're good to go basically. So once you've got your Gmail account, just type in Calendly into Google or www.calendly.com and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. All you have to do is click sign up with Google, and then you'll be taken to a screen where it's going to say which account do you want to associate Calendly with. Just use your business email and make sure you allow Calendly access to your Google Calendar, because that way it'll check for conflicts. So let's say if you have a meeting at 5 with someone, already Calendly will know, and that space will be blocked out and a user will not be able to schedule a meeting for that time. So it's really convenient in that way. So just make sure that you allow Calendly access to your Google Calendar so you don't have any time conflicts. So I've clicked allow. Now I'm taken to this screen here because I already have an account, but you will be taken to another page that will ask you to come up with a meeting link name. Just do what Calendly says, right? It says to come up with a meeting link name that associates with what you're doing, right? So, for example, mine is Cole Marketing Meeting. Really simple. I'm in marketing. This is basically what will be displayed when you send your link to users later on. And I'll get into that right now. But yeah, so just name your link something professional and something that associates with what you do. All the other filters and things like that, those don't really matter, except for make people be able to schedule meetings no more than 60 days in advance. Why 60 days? Because sometimes people go on vacations, they're out of town. It happens all the time, guys. So you want to have some flexibility there, but don't make it so far in the future where there's going to be some conflict. So 60 days is the optimal time that you can give people to set meetings in the future for. And typically you want to make your meetings 30 minutes. I don't like to go anywhere above 30 minutes because 15 minutes too short, 10 minutes too short. 30 minutes is that sweet spot. And you're basically telling them that, you value their time. You're not going to keep them for a long time. And what typically happens is if a meeting is going well and they don't have anything to do, once they're in the meeting, that will it'll just be a naturally longer meeting. And sometimes you'll meet for an hour and 15 minutes. But just starting with 30 minutes, to just be conscious of their time. And it just gives you enough space to be able to communicate what you're selling, demonstrate the value of your company, and kind of have a base, right? Of, to move forward from. So make sure you have 30-minute meeting. Don't go over that, and set your calendar so that they can schedule meetings up to 60 days in the future. So after you've done all that, it's really simple to get people to sign up with with Calendly, okay? Or book a meeting with you, I should say. All you have to do is click copy link, and this meeting link will copy, and then you paste it into your message inbox, or the message that you're sending someone. You'll paste it in that conversation. And all they have to do is click that link, and they will be directed to a screen that will enable them to schedule a meeting. And that's it. That'll appear on your calendar. It's all set. And just shoot them a reminder a day before, or even like maybe an hour before, and just confirm your meeting and just go from there. Once you have that down, it's pretty simple from there. Okay, guys, so that is Calendly. It's really simple. All you need is a Gmail account. Let's get back to the rest of the message. Hey guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to set up Calendly and why it's such a great tool. Calendly is a great way to efficiently schedule meetings so there's no mix-up and less client drop-off. What I mean by mix-up is, let's say someone is really interested in talking with you. They say something like, hey, I would love to meet sometime. You can mention a time, but maybe that specific time doesn't work for them. And then you mention another time, but guess what? That lead didn't respond because these people generally don't spend their whole day on LinkedIn. Time is of the essence. Remember, they don't know how valuable you are yet. Going back and forth with a potential client is a sure way to have a lot of client drop off, even if it's just a few extra messages. Calendly is the industry standard as well, and they literally only have to click two buttons to schedule a meeting with you. Anyone can do it, and more than likely, they've done something like this before. So, what is Calendly exactly? Calendly is a calendar tool that connects to your Gmail calendar. It allows leads to see when you're available and simply book a time that's convenient for them. All your lead has to do is simply click on your Calendly link that you paste in the chat, and then they pick a time that works for them. That's it. If you don't have a Gmail account, I advise that you get one because it's the best type of email account that you can have for business.